CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4, given a scenario, configure and use web browser features. Browser organization. Keeping your web browser organized isn't just about aesthetics, it's about saving time, staying focused, and making your online experience more efficient. Modern browsers offer several tools that help you keep things tidy, so you can quickly find what you need without getting lost in a mess of open tabs and forgotten sites. Some browsers let you group tabs by topic or color code them to keep related content together. Others offer reading lists or a homepage dashboard that displays your most visited sites. You can even customize your browser's layout by rearranging toolbars or pinning frequently used extensions. Whether you're managing school research, work projects, or your favorite hobby sites, using these built-in organization features can help you stay on track and reduce digital clutter. Now let's focus on one of the most useful and popular browser organization tools, bookmarks. A bookmark is a saved link to a specific web page, allowing you to return to it quickly without typing in the website address again. Think of it like placing a sticky note on a page you want to come back to later, except now it's built right into your browser. Bookmarks are a simple but powerful way to stay organized online, and they're just one of the many browser tools designed to make your digital life easier. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.